Hello and welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. I'm your name, and today we're diving into the energetic word gallop. So, what does gallop mean in English? At its core, gallop refers to the fastest pace of a horse, with all 4 feet off the ground simultaneously in each stride. But beyond equestrian terms, gallop can also describe moving rapidly or progressing swiftly. According to the dictionary, gallop is both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it's the fast run of a horse. As a verb, it means to run or move quickly. Now, let's explore some synonyms for gallop. Synonyms include a dash, sprint, hurry, and a scamper. Each of these words adds a unique nuance to the idea of moving quickly. For example, you might dash to catch a bus, sprint in a race, hurry to finish your homework, or watch a mouse scamper across the floor. Each synonym offers a distinct flavor of speed and urgency. That's all for today's exploration of a gallop. I hope you enjoyed learning about its meaning, definition, and synonyms. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more enriching content. Keep thriving with words on Thesaurus Thrive.